Insights from the world's best medical minds. You are watching therightdoctors.com.
On the vaccine front, as you know, today 26 crore mark has been breached. We have gone higher than that. You also know that the vaccine pace has picked up. And there is an important and interesting and positive development with regard to the Novavax results that have come yesterday. Very promising. This is a protein subunit vaccine given in 2 doses. What we are learning from the data that's available in the public domain, that this vaccine is very safe, and this vaccine is highly effective, more than 90% as you heard. But what makes this vaccine relevant for today, in order to mention this, is the fact that this vaccine will be produced in India. There is preparatory work already accomplished by the Serum Institute. They are in collaboration with the original company. And in fact, as you know, they are also conducting a bridging trial already, which is in advanced stages of completion. So the efficacy and positive results of this study augur very well for our nation, because on our soil, this vaccine will be produced, hopefully in very large quantities. There will be some gap for a while when the production picks up, ramps up, but also regulatory processes and regulatory requirements are met. And while we wait for that, we surely have something to feel good about, and some again to feel proud that another vaccine looks like on the horizon in near future as a part of the vaccine choice that our nation can have.
Insights from the world's best medical minds. You are watching therightdoctors.com.